Hello everybody, my name is Max, and in this video I would like to show you a very cool new agent on the market called OOPBuy. So in the past we had a lot of different agents like PandaBuy, HagaBuy, and many different other ones. They are no longer with us. Instead we have more of the new, more efficient agents, and one of them is obviously the OOPBuy. Let me show you real quick how to order the items on this new agent. And before we start, let me quickly show you all the benefits you get with the OOPBuy. So on OOPBuy you have a lot of different coupons. You can get like 15% off your freight, and the minimum freight is only $0, so that's just great. You also expect like anywhere from $3 to $10, $9 of free coupons, and yeah, it's just great. Very nice OOPBuy. And here we are on the main page on OOPBuy. This is what you get when you first sign up with the link down in the description. So as you can see, the OOPBuy offers placing the orders and then taking the QC pictures. You get anywhere from 3 to 5 free QC pictures and 90 days of free storage and warehouse, and then you also have cheaper 150 lines to choose from. As you can see, you can shop from the 1688, Taobao, and many different other platforms. So it's just amazing. Here's also the estimation. You can estimate how much the package will be worth and how much they will charge you, so you know upfront what amount to expect. Let's say you have the waiting link. Let's just copy this link and let's paste this link into the browser. So let's do it real quick. As you can see, let's search, and yes, so we get the product. This is how it all looks like. Put all the pictures transferred to this OOPBuy page, and you can see when I just click on the model, it actually changes on the picture. You can see clearly which one you are looking for, and yeah, let me just choose maybe this model real quick, and let's choose the size 39 1/3. Okay, quantity 1. You can always just favorite the product to keep an eye on it. If you want to just purchase this thing later, you can just go to the favorites tab and buy it, so that's just great. Here, as you can see, you have more photos. You can see whether you like it or not. Yes, it's just great. And yeah, let me just purchase this thing. So let's simply click on I agree, and you can either add this to the cart and then pay for the whole thing, or you can just buy it now. So I'm a person buy now. And as you can see here, you have to put in your address. And yes, with that said, let's just click on the submit order. And just like this, you can pay for your order. As you can see, you have the balance thing. Always use the Visa and MasterCard if you want to. Charge 4.5% and $0.50. And you also have different other methods. Always just use Apple Pay, which also charges 4.5% and $0.50. And the PayPal is quite expensive, 10% and $5. We'll simply use the balance. And let's pay for it. And just like this, the payment is successful. Now within 6 hours the payment will get processed, and then the items will get shipped to your warehouse where you get the QC pictures and everything will be stored there. So 100% money back is just guaranteed. As you can see now, when you go into the user center tab, here in the other tab you also have the item that you ordered, so you can see for how much you have purchased this thing and what is the actual status of the order, which now currently sits at process pending. Later, when the product comes to the warehouse, it will be available in the warehouse tab. So that's pretty much it, people. So that's pretty much it as for today's video. Be sure to leave the like buttons, and if you have any questions, just simply leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And don't forget to sign up with the links down in the description for the special offers and deals on OOPBuy. See you in the next video once the package comes to the warehouse and we get the QC pictures. Bye!